Hi guys, this is Gracie Ann from Strong Queen Agency. Do you want to be the best live host? We're going to talk about the policy and requirements to be one of them. Requirements for S-Class: must meet the requirements, must have professional live broadcast equipment, microphone and sound card. Live broadcast environment: clean and tidy live broadcast environment, preferably with lighting arrangement. Live broadcast content: singing or dancing and other talent show. Classification of A-class: salary is $6 per day or $42 in a week. Broadcast time: 3 hours per day or 18 hours per week. Earnings: $100 per day. Violation is 0. Requirements for A-class: must meet the requirements: clear, not blurred, live picture quality, live broadcast environment, clean and tidy live broadcast environment, live broadcast content, rich live broadcast content, and no invalid content. This is the classification of A-class: $1 per day or $7 per week. That is the salary. Broadcast time is 3 hours per day or 15 hours per week. Earnings: $10 per day and violation is 0. So invite one person and get up to $14 to $16. And she need to face verification and complete the task in a week, and you'll be received the reward.